Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. We're diving headfirst into the mesmerizing city of Abu Dhabi, known for its fantastic architecture, opulent lifestyle, and a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. The United Arab Emirates is a destination that promises an unforgettable journey. Today, we take you on an unforgettable journey to the heart of elegance, culture, and grandeur, Abu Dhabi. Known as the Jewel of the Emirates, Abu Dhabi is a city that exudes opulence and history in every corner, from its architectural marvels to its rich cultural history. This city promises an experience like no other. We're about to immerse ourselves in the awe-inspiring beauty of the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, a place that truly defines architectural magnificence and spiritual serenity. But that's just the beginning. So if you're excited as we are to uncover the treasures of Abu Dhabi, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's dive into the wonders of this extraordinary world.
Good morning, guys. It's our first good morning here in Dubai. Beautiful day. Today, we're going to Abu Dhabi. We're taking a full day tour there. Bring you along with us to see all the sights and attractions of Abu Dhabi. At our first stop on our tour, Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. You have to dress appropriately to go in the mosque. Nice thing is there is a mall attached to the mosque, so we're going to go shopping to get our appropriate clothing. I brought pants, but Chris needs to dress. You happy to go dress shopping?
I need to go dress shopping.
Alright, so we made it into the mosque. They made me take off my little microphone attachment off my GoPro.
Oh, how do I look? Do I look fancy? I got a fancy dress on.
Couldn't get the plain dress. Had to get the one with the little beads on it.
I am special.
Alright, let's go check out the most beautiful mosque in all of the United Arab Emirates, and some say in the world.
To go inside the mosque, we have to walk a lot, but they have beautiful pictures on the walls.
So we just entered the mosque grounds here, and it is beautiful, but it is so bright with all that white marble, it hurts your eyes. So in a lot of the areas in the mosque, you are allowed to take videos and film, and a lot of areas you are not. So respect all their rules, they are very strict here. So they have these like designated photo spots, and as you can see, they are meant to be the best places for photos here. So impressive. This place is really, really impressive. I think we're just in the courtyard too. Just so impressive of it. So we've walked around the square here that has this beautiful mosaic tile floors. By the way, you can't walk out onto it. So if you come here, when you come here, keep your tickets handy. They'll be scanned multiple times. So this is the females' prayer hall, the entrance to it, and just look at that chandelier. Wow.
Oh my god. No way, babe.
Everything in here is opulent and over the top, from the carpets Just all the mosaic work on every pillar to the chandeliers. Just look at it.
And on this mosque, they use 40 kilos of gold.
40
kilos.
Wow. I think all the gold paint is actually gold leaf. We just finished visiting the first room. This is the female's prayer room. And one thing I've noticed so far about this mosque, it has more security cameras than any casino I've ever been in. This is not the type of place to try to make a joke or do something that they don't want you to do. I see why they would want to protect it. I'm guessing from the day it was built, all the walkways were on these raised platforms so you don't disturb any of the mosaic work. And we're going towards the male prayer room now. So this is the male prayer room. It's almost really reminiscent of the female's prayer room. Very closely similar, almost the same. So this is the male's prayer room. It is a lot larger than the female prayer room. The chandeliers look the same. They are so impressive and so beautiful. Everything here is. This is the largest rug in history. 1,200 artisans took approximately 2 years to make this rug. Very impressive. You can hear the call to prayer right now. I wonder if these are stained glass or made them some other way. I've never seen stained glass like that before. So we just got the male prayer area, and let's see, you can go back to the visitor center, the toilets, external abdul. So that is to wash yourself, the external abdul. They light it up at night. That must look really pretty.
This place is humongous and beautiful, and they use so much marbles and so much gold. It is unbelievable. And the guy who designed and made this, he actually died in 2004, and he is cremated in here. And they have a free taxi. This guy can take you back if you don't want to walk.
Hot out here. It's at least 100 degrees and the humidity is like 40–50%.
And somebody made a mistake to buy a black outfit for this. It was the biggest mistake I ever made in my life. First of all, I look like a priest, and I'm not a priest. And second, this one absorbed the heat.
It's hot.
So it's being very hot, and with this one, I'm boiling.
I'm boiling too. Everybody is. In fact, I can feel like the heat in my lungs trying to breathe. It's oppressive heat, that is for sure. Truly is an impressive building with impressive architecture and design. So if you get a chance to visit, selfie sticks, cameras, that's all fine. My little GoPro mod with its little microphone, they took this. So don't bring anything that looks like a microphone at all, or anything that looks like professional camera recording equipment. So a little quick stop. This is called the Heritage Center. We're just stopping for pictures. It's supposed to be a great view of the Abu Dhabi Marina. And then after that, we're going to lunch. You ready for lunch? I am. So it's a little shopping place, little handmade crafts, souvenirs, things like that. But the highlight, they say, is come take pictures over here at the marina. Wow, even that sand is so hot, my toes are burning. It's absolutely beautiful. The water is actually like warm to the touch, but it is seriously hot out here. It's at least 105 degrees and the humidity was at 50-60% when I checked. It has to be down to like 40.
We're boiling.
It's not healthy to be in this heat.
So let's go shopping, but the water is beautiful. It's blue.
Beautifully crystal clear water. So beautiful. There's a lot more to do and see here, but on this tour we're just stopping for a quick photo op and then back on the bus. So Chris has to go shopping. All right, found enough time for shopping. Chris got 3 scarves for 110. Hey, watch out, baby. So something that's really surprised me about this tour is just how big the United Arab Emirates really is. I thought you could get to almost everywhere in like 40 minutes, but just between Dubai, where we were staying in our hotel, and the mosque was an hour and a half by bus. I mean, there's a little traffic, but Chris said it was 160 kilometers, so like, what, 70 miles or something like that? Way, like, bigger and further apart than I ever thought it was. Crazy, even the malls are just architectural marvels. They do love their malls here, that is for sure.
But it's nice, way cooler than it's outside.
Oh yeah, you would never guess it's the temperature it is outside. Another thing I've just been blown away by is look, what's here? Philly Steakhouse, American Corporation, Burger King, McDonald's, Texas Chicken, I've never heard of that one, Papa John's, KFC. Like, they love their franchises here.
This is the dirham, their money. This is a $500 bill with their bird, and they can travel with it, but they have to fly the first class to be able to. So this is the end.
All right, lunch wasn't included in this tour, but they give you a chance to stop and grab something to eat at the food court here in the mall. Fortunately, all the options are American sort of corporations and franchisees. So I had to try a McArabic chicken. You gotta give this a go here. Let's see here. Bowl here. Well, it's interactive. Top slides off. And it's like 2 chicken patties with some lettuce, tomato, and tzatziki in there on a pita. I gotta say, it's way better than it looks. It's actually pretty good.
I have a Big Mac.
They need to bring this to the States.
But I have a caramel, and all of this meal cost us around 16 US dollar, right? So I think the prices are similar with the...
Similar, maybe a little expensive, but very similar. So this large building here is the most fancy hotel probably on the planet. Only residents can go in there. It's a private beach that's 1.6 kilometers long. And over here is the official palace of the president. And it's for all official business. Nobody lives there. Head to state, go there. You can take a tour of it, and it's 65 dirham. So we're getting our tour to Abu Dhabi. I'm really wholesaler market to check out the date market. Everything in the UAE is imported. Date, fruits, vegetables, everything is imported. Let's go check out the date market. Oh my god, I never knew there were so many different types of dates. You want to try the Emirate coffee?
Oh, it's strong.
Super strong.
And it doesn't look strong. It looks like caramel.
Has a saffron in it and a bunch of other spices. I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, that's really good. It's different. Baby, what did you do? Chocolates and dates.
It's so
Oh my
heavy.
god, how are we getting all that home, baby? We're gonna have to buy another bag.
I'm in trouble.
Alright, that was our final stop, back on the bus. We're gonna drive by a couple more sites. They're gonna explain to us. I think we're going by the Ferrari amusement park and the Louvre Abu Dhabi. And trying to figure out how we get 20 pounds of dates and chocolate in our suitcase. Alright guys,